Today we're going out fishing out of Port Richey, Florida. It's on the west coast, on the Gulf Coast. We're going out with the Reef Chief, captained by Mike Teagarden, and mated with a fellow named Scotty, but I don't know what his last name is. It was a pretty hot day. The wind was light and variable, made it a little bit of chop, but it was a good day. You need a nice breeze like that blowing to keep it from getting so hot that you pass out. The trip out's about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes. We're fishing in about 60 to 80 feet of water. We're catching snapper, grunts, various groupers, gag groupers, red groupers, caught an amberjack. It was a real nice, productive day.
All right, I love good stuff.
Laying on the deck, it fell off my hand.
A1.
When you get my age, you can't wear them.
Roger, roger.
Well, my nose is
On again.
white, so it's crooked.
Something in there.
And
What's there?
All the fish out around the south. And I fell from the back stop. It broke, broke.
Grab my arm, buddy.
Captain Mike was a really good guy to fish with. He's very knowledgeable. He knew where the fish were. He put us right on the fish. We were catching fish probably within 10 minutes of anchoring at the first spot. We changed locations 3 or 4 times, and every time we got to a new location, we started catching fish. I also caught about 4 triggerfish. I forgot about those. They are good eating, but we threw them back because they were not in season at the time. And you'll see some of these fish that we've thrown back, and the reason why is either they're out of season or they're too small, so we didn't keep them. The amberjack, we cut it loose, but we fished with carbon steel circle hooks, and they embed in the corner of the fish's mouth, and it doesn't take them very long to rust out. So if you have a concern about the one we cut loose, don't worry about it. It's not hurting the fish one bit.
Now just at the bottom, I'm going to give a little bit extra and lock it. Just hold on to that, baby.
Captain Mike and Scotty both were real good at instructing everyone on what to do, what not to do, what the fish were when we caught them, in case maybe one of us didn't know what it was. And they were just a real big help to everybody fishing, and they were real nice people. I enjoyed the whole time. We were out with them about 8 hours and enjoyed every minute with them.
That's all right. I'm doing video right now.
Hurry.
Captain Mike was fishing quite a bit of the time himself, and here in this scene he is reeling in a very nice gag grouper. It was a keeper. One of the few that we had that was a keeper.
That won't hurt it.
Don't miss
That's a
it,
nice
Scott.
fish. That's a nice fish. Oh my God. That might be a big one, keeper.
Coach, that's a keeper. That's a stud.
Nice. Very nice. Get your, hey, Tom,
Yeah.
get
That's
your
good.
picture taken with the fish.
No, I didn't catch that fish.
You got to stand up for 1 minute, Mr. Al. Come right back at you.
Here we have a fellow named Jack reeling in a broken line. We think he had a cobia on by the way it was running, but it ran into the rocks. We couldn't keep him out of the rocks, and he broke the line off, so we did not catch him. Here, Tom reeled in a nice little red grouper, but he was too small for us to keep.
Size of that baby.
Now, this is a nice amberjack that Mike reeled in.
No.
It was about,
Probably 15.
maybe a 15-pound amberjack. They get a lot bigger than
Nice
that.
fish.
And this is the one that we cut loose.
No. Ready, Scotty? Yeah. I can't get him.
Hope you enjoyed our short little fishing video. Like I said, we were out there with them about 8 hours, but a lot of the 8 hours was not anything very interesting that you'd want to look at in a video.